hospital. Does that word sound reassuring or make you feel a bit nervous? To help you get a picture of what it might mean to go to hospital, I'd like you to meet a respiratory consultant, Dr. Keir Lewis, who's based in Wales.
Well, the majority of people with COPD or lung disease are managed solely in primary care. They won't come into hospital. In the olden days, COPD was seen as one of these incurable progressive illnesses. Nowadays, with new technologies, new interventions, new treatments, we've got excellent quality of life and long-term quality of life. The condition can be actually reversed in the early stages or even cured. Very good. That's excellent.
Christine is one of his patients.
I'm glad to get into hospital when I'm not well, because I know that they'll get me better and I get back as near as possible as normal.
What I need you to do, take a big, big breath in so your lungs are nice and full, pop the tube in your mouth, blow as hard as you can, blow hard.
So the blow-in tests that you've done today show the lungs are down. They're about 50 to 60% of what they should be, but they haven't changed. So they're stable. So what you're doing now is everything is right. You know, you're doing the physiotherapy, you're taking all the inhalers. We will treat infections as they arise, and we have to sort of treat and change our antibiotics as needed. And when the antibiotics don't work, we, as you know, we go back to the drawing board and we listen to and then you tell me off and we try again.
Yeah.
Sometimes hospital might be the best place to be if you haven't got someone at home to help to look after you when you're ill.
A lot of these patients we know anyway, and they've been in the hospital before, but for your first time it can be very scary. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to see you again, Susan.
Oh, and you.
Sue Robinson is a regular visitor.
The benefit of being here is that you've always got someone on hand and they look after you and they calm you down.
Doctor was telling me that you've been coughing the green phlegm again.
Yes,
is that right?
Yes, and I couldn't get my breath and I was panicking and anxiety.
Have you tried the Oromore for the little tablet under the tongue to help calm you down?
No.
There are other medications. One has got a liquid, it's got a funny taste, but that can just take the stress off breathing.
Right.
The new antibiotic through the veins,
Yes.
hopefully will start to work. It's what we normally give. The phlegm isn't quite as green as it's been in the past,
No.
but nip it in the bud, treat it quickly.
That's exactly.
And well, you know better than me what it is.
Yes.
Ideally, we'd like to treat people in their own homes, as everybody wants, but there are times in everybody's natural disease where they would need admission, and it's not seen as a failure to come into hospital, but we do try to get people home as quickly as we can, and we can control their symptoms and help them more in hospital than we ever used to be able to. All right?
Yes, because it is very nerve-wracking.
It is, I
Yeah.
can only imagine. So John knows you, obviously. I'll see you on Friday.
Brilliant.
All right?
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Speak again.
Yes,
All
thank
right.
you.
We hope that by helping you learn more about your COPD, you'll be able to stay as healthy as possible and avoid emergencies. But if you do need to go into hospital, then hopefully this has helped prepare you for what might happen when you get there,